Meaning of heavy water.
Heavy water.
Heavy water.
Heavy water.
Heavy water. Heavy water is a form of water in which the hydrogen atoms are replaced with deuterium, a heavier isotope of hydrogen. This gives heavy water a slightly higher density than regular water. Heavy water has some important industrial uses, including in nuclear reactors as a moderator to slow down neutrons and in nuclear weapons production. It also occurs naturally in very small amounts. However, exposure to heavy water can be hazardous to human health and can cause a range of negative effects, including genetic mutations and an increased risk of cancer.